So I'm Kelsey and this is my boyfriend Cole, and this is our van Kubrick that we're going to take you on a tour of today.
We're going to show you kind of how we bought it and then show you what we plan to do with it. We haven't done too much over the past year that we've had it. We bought it about a year ago in Washington, so we're going to show you our plans in the next couple months here. So.
Hi there. This is our bed. We'll start with the bed today. Our bed is currently just on a plank of wood, sitting on like two little blocks. Like I said, we haven't done anything to this van, so all the stuff you're gonna see was done before we got it. There's like 2 mattresses on here right now, and we do want to have our couch be in this area, so what we'll probably do is cut the board a little bit and extend it into a full-out bed that can pull out. But right now this is working really well for us. So this right here is our like little mini table or desk area. We are going to end up replacing this with a longer board so that it extends out when we're sitting on the couch, and we want to be able to fold it up and down as well. Next we'll kind of just show you our floor, which you've already seen. So we have a bunch of dark gray carpet right now. The first thing we want to do as soon as we stop filming this video is tear out the carpet, but I'll kind of show you what the carpet has under it right now. So this is what it looks like, but we want to rip this all out, and we are going to put some wood vinyl flooring on it. We like this currently, but you can tell us down below if you think that this is a terrible choice or not.
Alright, so as you can see, I am 6 foot and I can pretty much stand in here. Not quite, but it's definitely better than a conventional van.
Here's our height difference.
Kelsey can stand, I can't. But I can stand just as at an angle.
Yeah, I'm 5'5", 5'4.5".
But also, since we're here on this roof right now, we're also gonna put a fan, probably like right here-ish.
We want to put it over that little kitchen area so that we have ventilation for all that. An obvious thing in this van is the wood paneling, which I absolutely love. I think it's great. I like how natural it looks. But we are gonna have to take it down because they put like, what is this called?
Fiberglass
insulation in the van. So I'm pretty sure that's beneath all of this wood, and we're gonna end up taking it out. But we are gonna reuse this wood because I love it.
All right, so this is like kind of our kitchen area. We have a sink here that we'll probably want to make deeper eventually, but it's a basic sink right now. Underneath, we're gonna have the water and stuff go in, which we need to do, but that'll be down here. We have a fridge that is working. It's off right now, but that's our fridge. And then this will just be for utensils, different things. So yeah, that's pretty much that.
So we're gonna show you the front of the van. We've got the steering wheel.
That's important.
The chairs. And actually, one of the cool things about this van is that it came with a swivel seat in this chair. So let me see if I can do this gracefully.
I think you may need to put the seat up, but it does swivel, folks. Don't worry. Anyways, yeah, so that swivels. So that's nice.
We have these 2 things, a little mirror. We've got a little bit of storage here, some money holder thing, our cup holders for all of our coffee. And that's pretty much it. We have wires here that are running to the battery that is connected to our solar panel, and that sits in the front of the hood up there. And then we are going to redo all this. I guess there used to be carpet here, but we are going to put something on the floor to make it look a little bit nicer. So just to talk about the lighting real quick, we've got a bunch of lights that actually run on the solar panel, and these are all installed. So we've got these, this cute little thing behind the bed. There's 2 back here, and then like 3 or 4 at the front. So that's really nice. We also have a carbon monoxide detector.
Up above me, we got some storage areas. And this is all open, so it runs through. But this is real nice, of course, just to have a bunch of storage up here. There's also a couple 3-prong outlets here. In here, I don't know if you can see, but there's also a 12-volt outlet in here as well. I don't think we'll do much to this just because it's pretty nice already. So behind the bed here, we have more storage. Got a couple cabinets here. We'll probably take this out and put different cabinets and stuff in. We're not sure exactly how we're gonna do it. Maybe we'll have a couple going this way instead of out this way. But these are here for now. Also, as you can see, we have a AC unit up here. We're probably not gonna use it. I think what the owner before us said is that it takes too much of our electricity anyways, and it's super old and rusted. So we're probably just gonna end up taking it out and putting something else there.
So this is our handy dandy ladder that also came with the van. So we're gonna show you the solar panel. This solar panel sits on top of like a wood base, and they kind of jerry-rigged it on here, but it works nicely. It is only a 100-watt panel, so we're probably gonna have to get additional ones, but we are gonna have a little trouble just because we don't have a flat top on the van like a lot of Sprinter vans and other vehicles. But yeah, we're really happy about this, and it does work and draw power. On the outside of the van, we do have a water connection here. I'm not really sure what this is.
Yeah, we gotta figure that out.
We'll figure it out.
The water pump and whatnot is all disconnected and everything, so we'll have to spend a day doing that.
Gas pump, and then we have a power outlet too that we have no idea how it works.
Every window has curtains you can kind of pull down. There's kind of 2 settings, so you can kind of do it both ways. Makes it kind of nice. It's a nice feature. So that's on this one too. It's also on that side as well, in the back. So yeah, that's pretty much the tour of the van. So stay tuned as we make a lot of different changes over the next couple months.
We're super excited. If you have any ideas for us or suggestions, let us know. I know we're gonna have some issues with electrical, so it'll be a process for sure, but thanks for sticking around. See you later.